Hello and welcome to this video about the real estate crash of 2018. My name is Jeff Weibel and today we're going to talk about what caused the crash, how it affected the market, and what you can do to protect yourself in the future. So what caused the 2008 crash? There are a few factors that contributed to it. First and foremost, there was a huge influx of easy credit. Lenders were giving out mortgages left, right, and center, and often to people who couldn't really afford them. This created an artificial demand for housing and caused prices to skyrocket. At the same time, there was a lot of speculation in the market. Investors were buying up properties and flipping them for a profit, further driving up prices, but eventually the bubble had to burst. And when it did, it was a catastrophic event. Most people lost homes and the market took a significant hit. So what can you do to protect yourself in the future? The most important thing is to be cautious when it comes to taking on more debt. Make sure you can afford the mortgage payments and don't overextend yourself. It's also a good idea to diversify your investment and not put all your eggs in one basket. And finally, it's important to keep an eye on the market and pay attention to any warning signs of another crash. By staying informed and making smart financial decisions, you can weather any future storms. Now, can we determine if there will be a future crash? There are a few warning signs that a real estate crash may be on the horizon. One, rapid price appreciation. If home prices are rising too quickly, it could be a sign that the market is overheated and a crash is imminent. Number two, easy credit. When lenders are too lenient and willing to give out mortgages to anyone, it can create an artificial demand for housing and lead to a bubble. Number three, overbuilding. If there's a surplus of new homes being built and not enough demand to justify it, it could lead to a glut in the market and a crash. Number four, rising interest rates. Higher interest rates make borrowing more expensive, which can lead to a decline in demand for housing and a crash. And number five, speculation. If there are a lot of investors flipping properties and driving up prices, it could be a sign that the market is unsustainable and the crash is likely. By keeping an eye on these warning signs and being cautious when it comes to investing in real estate, you can protect yourself from an impact of a crash. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all things real estate, and we'll catch you guys in my next video. Check out these ones. Bye.